In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote a high ticket offer with a brand new affiliate network, a network which is a replacement and alternative to ClickBank. And the reason I'm going to share this network is because a lot of people have been saying that they are not accepted on ClickBank, their country is not listed. So if that's the case, you have an alternative network which you can use to promote products, and they have thousands and thousands of products from low ticket to mid-range and also high ticket products. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote products using this affiliate network, how you can start driving traffic and start getting traffic to your affiliate links as quick as possible after creating a campaign. Okay, so let's get into this video and let me show you what I am talking about. Okay, so the network, if you don't know about this network, the network is called Digistore24. Okay, Digistore24 is a network that was created alternatively to ClickBank. So a lot of people were not accepted on ClickBank, and some people, their country was not listed on ClickBank, so they were confused, they didn't know what to do, so they had to look for an alternative solution. And for that alternative solution, the best affiliate network, which I believe is alternative to ClickBank, is Digistore24. They have so many products. They have low ticket products, mid ticket products, high ticket products, and there are so many top vendors that were on ClickBank and they are using Digistore24 as an affiliate and as a product seller. So you can come create your free account with Digistore24, and then you can go to the marketplace, which is on the left hand side, and you could choose your products. So let's dive into this and let's see what we can find here. Okay, so you can see here on the left hand side they have digital products, events and seminar, which you're not going to find in ClickBank, services, shipping products, and so you could see that there are some things down here which you are not going to find on ClickBank. Okay, so this is a unique approach of Digistore24. Then down here, when you go to digital products, you can see that there are some sub niches and subcategories that you're not going to find on ClickBank. So you can see here animal and pets. Animal and pets is not listed on ClickBank. Okay, you can see dancing and music, that's not listed on ClickBank. And then if you just come down, fashion is not listed on ClickBank. If you scroll down, you'll see hotels, that's not listed on ClickBank. Law and justice are not listed on ClickBank. Photography and film is not listed on ClickBank. Okay, so you can see that there are some additional sub niches and subcategories within Digistore24 that you can use to promote. So if you're interested and passionate about any of these subcategories, you can come and promote their product. Now I'm more into make money online, so we're going to go into let's just see, digital products, email marketing, internet business, green products, okay, and environment protection. Let's just see what we can find here. Online marketing and e-business. Okay, as you can see down here, it says on the right hand side 189 products available. Let's just click on it. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to close that and let's see what we can find here. All right, popularity, let's see if we could find something. Let's go here, earning per sale, and let's see. So here's the first high ticket product, the Millionaire Partner System. Okay, and it's going to pay $811. Okay, so if you just hover your mouse onto these these icons, you will be able to know what this is all about, what does it mean, okay, and what's the refund rate, etc. Share or returns and chargeback 15%. If you come here, you can see your share of the vendor's earning is 40% commission. The cart value is about 3. Your visitors who open the order form and then make a purchase is 3% out of every 100 people. So it's looking quite good here. So now if I want to promote this product, I'm going to come here, copy promo link, and it has copied. Now because I'm already approved, I was able to do this, but in your case you might not be approved because Digistore24 does require approval. Okay, it's not like ClickBank that you're auto approved, so you might have to request approval, and then within 24 hours you will get approved. So my affiliate link is ready. So if I just come here, paste it in here, and let's see what we can see here. Okay, so I can see here how to make an additional $1,000 to $3,000 per day in passive income on completely autopilot in 2026 without expensive cost or techie skills. And then you can see on this website you will learn. Okay, so if I just want to put my name here and then put my email address here just to see that what this is all about, making sure that I am promoting something that's legitimate. Okay, so I could see a success URLs for the web class, and I'm going to check the emails that I get because I know this person just hammers email after email after email after email. It's quite annoying, so I don't want that to happen to myself. So I'm going to make sure I don't promote something that's going to happen to other people as well. Okay, so let's just see what this is all about. Now this is what we're going to promote for now, for demonstration purposes. Now it's time for us to drive traffic. Okay, so one of the traffic sources that I recommend for you to start getting instant traffic to build a list, subscribers, and start seeing some kind of clicks coming to your affiliate link is this traffic source here. Okay, link popping up on the screen. You could open up a new browser, create your free account with this traffic source. Okay, and once you have created your free account, you can send me messages to ask me any questions. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make money online. Okay, so you can send me any messages. If you have a landing page that you have created, you can send me the landing page. Now landing page will look something like this. If you don't know what a landing page is, it's a small squeeze page that looks something just like this. Okay, so you want to capture people's email addresses, so people will come here, they read the message. If it looks something good, they will click here, they will enter the email, and there you go, boom, that's your subscriber, and the money is in the list. You probably heard that already. Okay, I've already said that so many times. Okay, so you want to build a list, but for any reason, if you want to do direct linking, that's what was fine, which is not recommended. You don't want to do direct linking. Okay, so let's just go here and let's choose one of the partners down here. Now this person has come to my attention so much, so I'm just going to click on this guy here, and let's see what we can find from this person. So we're here, and first of all, you want to start off with 500 clicks. Okay, so come here, scroll it to 500 clicks. Okay, and then you want to select only top tier, which is English speaking country, prime filter. Okay, and then down here you're going to put your affiliate link here. In my case, I will just put my landing page here. Okay, now when you have a landing page, just make sure your landing page is congruent with the offer that you're going to promote on the other page. Very important. Okay, so you can see here he's giving a lot of reasons why you should buy traffic from this person. Okay, you just made a sale, but what I'm looking for, I'm going to show you. Check out my recent reviews below. 90% top tier traffic, 10% of the 5 made to a whole list, including buyers, 500 subscribers every day, traffic suitable for everything. Okay, now if you scroll down, this is what I'm looking for. Check this out. Okay, check this out, guys. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 5 different sales from 5 different people. So 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I just found 5 different people who just said that they generated a sale. Okay, get wrong. Thank you, Igor. We'll come back for more. I'm giving 5, even though I didn't get any sale. I got my leads, but nothing came off it. I didn't put much money into it, so that's probably more on me. I feel did his job quickly and effectively. No comment, no comment, no comment. Alright, so you can see here, this guy is looking good for me. According to my criteria, it seems that he's got very good traffic. Okay, so I'm going to buy traffic from this person here. So how do I do that? First of all, I'll put my link here. Okay, you can send him messages, you can add him as a friend, you can ask him a couple of questions, and then you put your link here, and then you just click on continue, and you purchase the traffic. That's how simple and easy it is. Okay, so you got your offer, high ticket offer that's going to pay you up to $811.07, and this offer, this is the way the offer works. Okay, so basically they register for the webinar, they attend the webinar, and in that webinar they're being sold a high ticket product where you earn a whopping $811. Okay, now just driving a couple of clicks is not going to make you any money. If you really want to make a lot of money, you need to drive a lot of traffic and a lot of clicks. Okay, so you need to be consistent in driving traffic and building a list. Okay, so that's how simple it is. If you're not accepted on ClickBank, that's okay. come to Digistore24, find a product. Now this was a high ticket product, otherwise you could promote low ticket products as well. All right, so they have a couple of high ticket products. This is the first one, then there's another one, $374. okay, so they have some very, very good products on this network. I know some of the top vendors and top affiliates having products on this network. Okay, so you can get started right now with this, and then just create a quick simple squeeze page, which will only take you a couple of minutes. I do have a video on this already. I will be coming up with some more videos showing you exactly how to create a quick landing page, a squeeze page for you to build a list of subscribers. And also, this is just one traffic. There are hundreds of traffic sources out there where you can buy traffic, so stay tuned for that, because I will be sharing some penny traffic. Okay, getting traffic for pennies, where you can get quality traffic, targeted traffic to any website, any product, any system, any affiliate link for just pennies.